Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to turn on microphone in iPhone settings. So first of all, go ahead to your browser. Now, if you want to turn on the microphone on your, or mic mode on your iPhone, and just during your call, swipe down from the top right hand corner of your screen to open Control Center and tap mic mode. So basically, if you want your microphone generally to turn it on, basically, what you're going to do, you're going to just go ahead right here. If you want to my iPhone, tap Control Center, and if you've set up accessibility shortcut, triple click the button and tap hearing devices and then tap live listen. If you have accessibility hearing aids, go to the setting accessibility. That's in some extreme cases. So if you want to give access to your microphone, basically go ahead to any app that you want to actually use the microphone for. Just go ahead and and open the settings right here, right? I'm gonna just go ahead to the settings and go ahead to privacy, basically, right? And I'm gonna just go ahead, scroll a little bit down to the microphone right here. And basically, as you can see, this is the access that I gave for microphone to these apps, basically, right? And you can just toggle it off or on if you want to deny access for from microphone. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to follow us on social media.